Welcome to CNT's Permitting and Licensing Portal. In this video, we will review the steps to apply for a business license or regulatory permit. Throughout this video, we will cover multiple steps and tips. Feel free to pause and continue as needed as you complete the process from your account. Log into your account using the Login or Register link at the top right corner of the page. Once logged in, click Apply from the menu bar across the top of the page. You can now use the Application Assistant to find the service you need. You can search the license or click the Licenses section to narrow results on the page. There are three main types of business licenses available: in-city, out-city, and home occupation. Additional regulatory permits may be required depending on your business type. Feel free to contact the Finance Department if you have any questions at 619-258-4100 extension 146. Be sure to choose the correct license for your business activity. Once you've identified the correct license, click the Apply button next to that license to start the application process. To begin, select or create the business for this application. In this example, since we don't have a pre-existing business in the system, we'll have to create one. Start by selecting the company organizational type from the drop-down menu. Then, click the plus symbol to begin creating your business. There are 7 steps in the process, and we'll cover each one individually. In step 1, we'll need to add location details for our business. Select the plus sign to add a location. This location should match the primary mailing address of your business or business activity. You can search for your address automatically by typing it into the search box and then clicking the search icon. If your address doesn't populate into the search, you can also manually enter it by clicking the Enter Manually button. Manual entry will need to be done for all P.O. boxes. Click the Enter Manually button and fill out the form with your P.O. box information, then click Save. Once you find your address on the list, click the Add button either on the map or the blue button near the search bar. Once all addresses for your business are entered, click Next. In step 2, we'll be entering the details for your business. Fill out the form completely for all required fields. Enter the company name and description along with any DBA name, location, and tax information. Industry classifications are based on a predetermined list. To find your classification, click the link that reads Select Industry Classification. In the search bar, enter a single word that describes your business to start. Then click Search in the results and choose the item that most closely matches the services your business offers. Check the box next to that service and then Add Selected. Complete this section by entering the description of your business services and then click Next. In step 3, we'll enter official contacts for the business. As the account owner, your information will automatically appear in the section as a contact for the business. You can add additional contacts for the business in the blue box by first selecting the type of contact from the drop-down menu and then clicking the plus symbol to enter contact's information. Please note that the contacts entered in this section are the only people who will manage the license and any associated permits through CNT's Permitting and Licensing Portal. Once all contacts have been entered, click Next. Step 5 allows you to add attachments to your business license application, which could include state licensing as it applies to your industry or occupation. After uploading any necessary documents for your business, click Next. In step 6, we will sign our application digitally. Begin by typing your name in the small box. Then click the toggle button to enable type signature. Type your name a second time in the box that appears, and an electronic signature will be generated in the large box at the bottom of the page. After signing your application, click Next. In the final step, you can review all of your application details. To make any changes, use the back button at the bottom of the page to return to the previous sections. Once you're satisfied with the responses on your application, click Submit at the bottom of the page. You'll then get a message confirming that your application was successfully submitted. Next to this message, a box will display the fees owed with the option to view details or add to cart. Click View Details to learn more about the fees owed and the invoice number, which you can use to pay an invoice. See the Pay an Invoice video to learn more. On the confirmation page, selecting Continue to License will take you to a page displaying the status of your business license application. You may add the license to your cart to continue processing the fees and pay the invoice. Please note that online applications can take between 10 to 14 days. If you have any questions, contact the City of Santee's Finance Department at 619-258-4100 extension 146.